सच्चाई से लिखते हैं अपने इरादों को, उनके मुकद्दर के पन्ने कभी कोरे हुआ नहीं करते। आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते। मैं धर्मेंद्र सिंह, प्रिंसिपल यदुवंशी सतनाली। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, I congratulation to all my parents, students and teachers. You already know CBSE announced the result. In CBSE result, Yadvanshi Satnali got the top positions. The top position of this school is 97.8. The name of the student is Anu. 97 Sonam. 96.5 is Aryan. 96.2 is Manish. 95.4 is Ritu. 95.4 is Richa. 95.4 is Sarita. And 95.2 Hitesh. And 95 Nidhi. Above 90 we got 38 positions. As same as it is in case of class 10, above 90 48 students is also. The top of the student is, name of the student is Parul and Ankit Dodi. Yadvanshi Satnali performing the CBSE exam, result of top positions. In any institutions, the success behind any institutions, there are three main pillars. One is honor, second is management, third is staff. Yadvanshi Satnali link with the three pillars. On based on the three pillars, we got the top positions in CBSE results. Yadvanshi Satnali hire the faculty from Kota, like as an Ellen, Resonance and Akash. One of the senior faculty member is the name of the Kamal Singh. About 45-year experience in as a principal in government schools. All highly academic staff are recruiting at here. On the basis of highly qualified staff, so we perform the result in CBSE basis. We provide coaching facilities also, like as a NEET, like as an IIT JEE, like as an NDA, like as an NTSE and KVPY. We are not far behind in competitive examination. I want briefly discuss with all my parents about the history of Yadvanshi Satnali. Yadvanshi Satnali opened the school in 2016. After opening of these schools, the result of the Yadvanshi Satnali is constantly increasing year by year. If I taking the example in session 2018, we got two students are selected in AIMS. The name of the student is Renu and Prayag. Two students are selected in IIT JEE. The name of the student is Monica and Harshita. In session 2019, 4 students are qualified NDA examinations. 8 students are qualified IIT JEE examinations. And 1 student are selected in IIT Advanced. The name of the student is Sitish. After that, we have selected 3 students in CACPT. The name of the student is Subham, Vinayak and Himanshu. After that, in session 2019, 5 students are qualified NDA examination and 11 students are qualified IIT JEE and 2 students are qualified in NTSE examinations. And this is the result of Yadvanshi Satnali within last 4 years. you can say and you can analysis of this result on the basis of this performance of year wise. सबसे पहले first of all I again thank you to all my parents. They give us opportunity. We prove the opportunity. Yadvanshi Satnali providing the coaching facilities also, like as an IIT JEE, NEET, NDA and NTSC. I already announced the result of all such as type of competitive examinations. We are preparing the students in Olympiad as well as in scholarship examinations. In scholarship examination like as an NTSC, VVM, Commerce Wizards. In NTSC, 2 students are already selected, and in Commerce Wizard, we got the second position in a all India level and got the cash prize of 50,000. The name of the student is Tarun, Manish, Rahul and Aryan. These 4 students got a cash prize of 50,000 in Commerce Wizard examinations. After scholarship examinations, we are also conducting a Olympiad. The Olympiad may be state level, it may be national level or international level. Some Olympiad like as an SOF, ISFO, as well as NELTAS, English Beats. In all of these Olympiad, our school student got top positions. We are not in top in academic, we are top as well as in cultural program. Last year 2019, we got prize at Bal Bhavan in second positions at state level. The award by Honorable Governor of Haryana at Gurgaon. Yadvanshi Satnali performing the result as well as cultural program as well as sports program. In sports program, the state level competitions got a cash prizes also, got a top positions at Satnali. We simply, you can say that we are the number 1 school in Haryana in the national levels, yeah, international level. Simply we can say that the top of the schools of the Yadvanshi Satnali. We are not far behind, already in such as academic, culturals and it may be sports. Number 1 position, second position and third position we got every year, and we are also expecting coming next year is also. I want to convey the message to all my parents. They faith on us, they believe on us, we provide the opportunity, we prove the opportunity, they provide us. लास्ट में एक बार फिर मैं कहना चाहूँगा, जो बच्चे मेरे CBSE में टॉप आए थे उनको मैं एक बार फिर बधाई देता हूँ कि जो भी जिस फील्ड पे वो जाए, जहाँ पर भी वो एडमिशन्स ले, वहाँ पर भी अपनी इस पोजीशंस को बरकरार रखे, इस देश का नाम रोशन करे, अपने गांव का नाम रोशन करे, अपने माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करे और अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन करे। किसी कारणवश जो मेरे बच्चे CBSE रिजल्ट में टॉप पोजीशन नहीं कर पाए, उनसे मैं एक बार आग्रह करूंगा कि इस बार हिम्मत न हारे, एक बार पूरे संघर्ष के साथ एक बार फिर उसी तैयारी में जुट जाए, जिससे नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम में वो अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाए और अच्छा रिजल्ट दे पाए। इसी संघर्ष पे मैं 2 शब्द कहना चाहूँगा। अपने जीवन में जो इसे अपनाता है वही मुकद्दर का सिकंदर कहलाता है। संघर्ष ही वो हथियार है जो एक इंसान को अपनी पहचान दिलाता है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्ते।